Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Have you ever wished you could create high quality animated stories without spending a dime on expensive software or hiring a full production team? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I turned a simple idea into a fully animated monetizable video using nothing but free AI tools. You'll see step by step how you can bring stories to life in a way that's engaging, professional, and ready for YouTube. Let's dive in. So this tool can create videos at least 8 minutes long, generate consistent characters, animate visuals instead of static slides, provide natural voiceovers, and 100% free and time efficient. So this tool is called CapCut's AI Video Maker. So to start, sign up for CapCut. Use the link in the description below. You can download and install it on your computer or you can use it online. Open the app and from the top, click on Free AI Video Maker. So right here you have New Project, and down here you can create instant AI video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, match media to script in one click. So you can start from scratch or use the instant AI video option. For this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start a new project. So click on New Project. Now from here, you can enter your script manually or let AI write one for you. So you can click Create One with AI. And then on the left side, you have here Script. So in this script section, you have Topic, Key Points, and then set the video duration, 1 to 10 minutes. So let me just put in my topic and then my key points. You can copy the script you've generated in ChatGPT or whatever you like, and then paste it here. So for the duration, I would like to choose 10 minutes. So if you like, you can upload a mimic or a specific writing style. For example, Disney Pixar inspired tone. So review the generated script. You can edit or regenerate sections until you're happy. So adding voiceovers. Click on scenes on the left side. Click on voiceover. You can choose a voice from the library. So I use this one for this demo. And click on apply it to all scenes. So optional, you can create a custom voice if you want something unique. Now creating a media. So CapCut offers three options. You can generate AI media, choose aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube. So I'm going to use that. Upload your own media. The AI syncs it with your script and narration. And you can use stock media. So access CapCut's built-in library. So the AI generates images for each scene. During editing, they might look low resolution, but the exported version is crisp and high quality. So if you don't like an image, regenerate or replace it. Next is enhancing your video. So use elements to automatically add captions, transitions, sound effects, or you can add stickers. Choose the intensity level. I recommend medium. Add music by searching CapCut's libraries. So I pick a track right here. You can adjust the volume so the voiceover remains clear. And when you're ready to polish, open your project in CapCut Desktop. Remove sound effects that don't fit. You can add transitions for smoother scene changes. You can insert custom sound effects, animate still images using CapCut's AI media, and AI video feature. Now let's export your story. So choose export quality. You have 1080p, 2K, or 4K. I recommend 4K. Save your video, then upload directly to YouTube.
On a sun-dappled morning, Max and Leela skipped towards their favorite playground, their laughter echoing through the air. But as they approached, something felt different. The swings swayed gently, though no breeze stirred the leaves. Giggles seemed to float from the twisty slide, yet not a single child was in sight. "Did you hear that?" Max whispered, his eyes wide with wonder. Lila nodded, her pigtails bouncing. The playground. "It's talking!" Suddenly, the merry-go-round spun slowly, and a warm, friendly voice filled the air. "Welcome, little ones. We've been waiting for you!" The children gasped as the playground equipment introduced itself. The slide explained, "A sprinkle of stardust from last night's sky brought us to life. But our magic is fading fast. Why? Lila asked, her brow furrowed with concern. The seesaw creaked sadly. Our friendship light is dimming. It only shines when children play together with kindness and joy. Max and Leela exchanged determined glances. We'll help, they chorused, and so began their magical adventure. The monkey bars challenged them with playful riddles, their metal bars glowing with each correct answer. The seesaw taught them about balance and teamwork as they worked together to keep it level. In the sandbox, they discovered a shy pile of sand that wouldn't build castles. With gentle encouragement and imaginative stories, Max and Leela coaxed it into creating magnificent fortresses. As they played and solved each challenge, the playground grew brighter. Colors became more vibrant, and the air buzzed.
And that's it. You've just created a professional looking, monetizable animated story without spending a cent. And that's how I use free AI tools, especially CapCut, to turn a simple script into a full animated short film, complete with voiceovers, visuals, and music. So, what do you think? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Videsha, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Videsha crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Videsha handle the rest. Videsha gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Videsha now. Just go to getvidesha.in.